here you can see my Excel sheet, and you can see the table with 3 columns. The first column, we have a name and probably a space in it, or not, we're gonna see. In second column, we definitely have a name without any space, and then we just compare if they are the same. And this is exactly why sometimes space can be a difficult thing, because when we look at it, it looks as though those cells are the same, but when we here check, for example, for Scott, and I highlight the formula, we simply compare those two values, and it seems that they are not the same. And exactly if I go here, double click, yeah, I don't have anything. If I go here, double click, oops, I have a space, yes. Sometimes I can have even more than one space. So what's going on? Well, you have only your eyes, but for Excel, these are actually values stored in particular cells. So how can we quickly remove those spaces? Well, one thing, but obviously that's not going to be quick, is to go into each cell and to, of course, backspace, or delete and do stuff like that. Well, that would be silly. I here have only like, I don't know, 10 rows maybe, but imagine having 100 rows, 1000 rows, and you want to check if values are exactly the same. You think they are the same, but they're not, because you have a space. Why you can have space? Well, perhaps you simply downloaded a data which is not quality assured, or you copied something from the internet and basically the space was copied also just by accident. So how can we deal with that? Well, there's a very quick solution to that. What we do, and this is the solution I want to teach you in this very short video, what we do is we select the whole column. We can do this with a mouse, we can do it by using Control Space, and we do Control H. This gives us a find and replace. People usually use find, but we here gonna use find and replace. And what do we want to find? We of course want to find a space, and we want to replace that with nothing. And if now I do replace all, ta-da, all done. We made 9 replacements. Okay, fantastic. Let's close that off. And we can see that, yeah, actually look, everything is true. So everything is the same. Why? Because we simply removed spaces. That's a very quick, short tip for you, but I think sometimes it can help you out tremendously. Consider subscribing, giving a like, giving a comment, share what other ideas would you like to see. Thank you very much. Have a great day.